So there is a stat, there are almost 80 lakh people blind in India and 6 crore people suffer from some form of visual impairment.
It is unfortunate that India is also the blind capital of the world. If you look at countries like China, Korea, Singapore, Taiwan, यहाँ पे ना almost 90% लोगों की आंख में माइनस के चश्मे का नंबर ऑलरेडी आ चुका है. And now slowly this trend is coming towards India. So now the real question is कि ऐसा क्या हो गया?
A lot of people also wear contact lenses क्योंकि उनको eye का color बदलना होता है. Is there a way? Can your eye color change?
Yes, we can change it temporarily also, we can change it permanently also. But these options are not very widely practiced because screen is affecting differently children and differently who are adults. So adults will have digital eye strains. तो इसके लिए actually करना तो होता है कि after every 20 minutes take a 20.
Why is there such a big association with गाजर खा लो eyesight अच्छी हो जाएगी?
तो ये गाजर खाना, हरी घास पर चलना सुबह सुबह, या कुछ लोग वो डालते हैं आजकल, घी डालते हैं, कुछ लोग शहद डालते हैं, कुछ लोग रोज वाटर डालते हैं, कुछ लोग गौमूत्र डालते हैं. All these things really don't work.
Eye makeup is a big thing. Like I faced it कि I switched the kajal that I typically use नहीं था, तो I just got a substitute. Immediately my eye was red.
Every makeup that you put onto your eyes is a source of contamination.
No matter how
safe
the
they are,
yeah.
organic they are, pure they are, natural they are. अब मान लो किसी ने कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस की प्रॉपर हाइजीन मेंटेन नहीं करी, उसको अच्छे से साफ नहीं करा, उसको आंख में पहन लिया, अब आप सो गए हो. सो नाउ इन्फेक्टेड लेंस यू वेयर एंड यू स्लीप ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट, तो अगले दिन तो सुबह अल्सर बन जाएगा आंख में. You know, more than 400 problems of the eye which are related to genetics. And somehow if you can plan a treatment before the child comes into life, you can maybe solve so many other things.
There is a black market when it comes to eye donation.
We can really not deny that organ black marketing is a reality. But Indian system, Indian government and all of
What if the everyday habits that you're unknowingly doing could be slowly robbing you of your eyesight, leading to irreversible damage? In a country where 80 lakh people are blind, Dr. Rahil Chaudhary, an ophthalmologist, is on a mission to change the way we see. Dr. Chaudhary holds multiple Guinness World Records for LASIK procedures and has revolutionized refractive surgery. From debunking myths like eating carrot can improve your vision to exposing the hidden dangers of daily routine, like not removing your eye makeup properly or the silent damage caused by screen time, Dr. Chaudhary breaks down what truly harms our eyes. He even talks about how one can change their natural eye color. Protecting your eyes is one of the best investments you can make. Tune in to find out how. Welcome to Humans of Bombay, Dr. Rahil. So lovely to have you here and on a very pressing topic of eye care and everything to do with your eyes. So I'm very excited to have this chat with you.
Thank you, Karishma, and lovely to be here and as excited as you. And like we were discussing, there's so many myths around eye, and we want to highlight on that and try to bust as much as possible.
Exactly. So let's start with a little bit about your story, right? Like, how did you get interested in the eye?
Me becoming an ophthalmologist?
Yeah, an ophthalmologist.
वो तो जब मैं पैदा हुआ था तभी decide हो गया था.
क्यों?
just on the lighter side of it. So I'm the second generation ophthalmologist in the family.
Okay.
So it was all started by my father 35 years back, and he's been my inspiration. So I tried to follow his footsteps. So that is how I developed passion into the field. And now I've been almost 5 years into practice. But it takes a while to become a super specialist in ophthalmology. So you have to go about rigorous 15 years of training into medicine till the time you actually reach that level that you can start treating patients.
Wow, 15 years.
Yeah.
That's a long time.
And it's a journey.
It's a journey. Yeah, but I mean, fair enough, because it's something as sensitive as the eye, right?
And yes, and you have a big responsibility there.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because you're dealing with human beings.
Yeah.
So there's no error of mistake anywhere.
Exactly. So there is a stat that there are almost 80 lakh people blind in India.
Yeah.
And 6 crore people suffer from some form of visual impairment.
Probably more than that. And it is unfortunate that India is also the blind capital of the world.
Really?
And the reason for that is a curable problem, which is called cataract.
Yeah.
Safed motiaband. So it's a disease of the lens of the eye, and it's a part of aging process. So nature has made this lens clear and transparent. But as you age, like your hair tends to go white. Similarly, there are changes in the protein of your lens and it tends to get cloudy.
Okay.
So it becomes white. So that person tends to lose out on the vision, and just a 10-minute surgery से हम उस white lens को निकाल देते हैं ऑपरेशन करके, and we implant a new lens in the eye. And that person can see 100% again.
Wow,
So it's
it's
as simple as that.
Yeah.
Still, unfortunately, because of the massive population and not enough infrastructure and doctors across the length and breadth of the country, plus lack of awareness are the reasons why we are continuing to becoming the blind capital of the world.
So ये जो 2020 विजन कहते हैं, is it a myth? Especially जब इतने सारे screens है, there's so much talk about blue light, there's so much talk about kids nowadays like literally are born और उनको सबसे पहले iPad ही मिलता है. तो is this 2020 vision a myth?
No, 2020 is nothing, has nothing to do with myth. 2020 is a measure of your vision.
Correct.
So 2020 means, in this 20 stands for 20 feet. So we are measuring your vision. एक चार्ट होता है, उसको स्नेलिन्स चार्ट कहते हैं. So if you can read up to the last line of that chart, तो हम उसको कहते हैं 2020 या 6x6 vision है. So in India we tend to follow 6x6 वाला format because this is 6 meters and otherwise it is 20 feet.
Correct.
Correlating the same thing. So if somebody can read up to the last line, he has 20/20 or 6x6 vision, and that vision is considered to be perfect vision.
So I asked myth क्योंकि has the quality been deteriorating because
Yeah.
of the factors?
And now
right?
the shocking thing is that almost 50 to 60% of the people in this world don't have that 20/20 vision without glasses. So this thing that is coming in is called myopia pandemic. So 20/20 का ना basically it's a measurement कि like जैसे distance को किलोमीटर में measure करते हैं, वैसे हम जो eye की vision है उसको एक scale में measure करते हैं. That's called Snellen's chart. So if somebody can read up to the last line of that chart, तो उसकी vision 20/20 होगी, या इंडिया में ज़्यादा हम लोग 6x6 बोलते हैं. They mean the same thing. So in this 20 is 20 feet or 6 is 6 meters. Right? But the shocking thing is that almost 50 to 60% of the population right now in the world cannot read up to the last line without glasses.
Yeah.
And that is the real problem which is happening now, और इसको हम लोग कह रहे हैं myopia pandemic. So if you look at countries like China, Korea, Singapore, Taiwan, यहाँ पे ना ऑलमोस्ट 90% लोगों की आंख में माइनस के चश्मे का नंबर ऑलरेडी आ चुका है. एंड नाउ स्लोली दिस ट्रेंड इज कमिंग टुवर्ड्स इंडिया. इंडिया में ऑलमोस्ट 60% लोगों की आंख में माइनस का चश्मा आ गया है, एंड ऑलमोस्ट 50% ऑफ द वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड हैज़ दोस माइनस नंबर्स कमिंग इन. सो नाउ द रियल क्वेश्चन इज कि ऐसा क्या हो गया भाई, इतने टाइम से द ह्यूमन रेस हैज़ बीन इवॉल्विंग. व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड सडनली दैट दिस मायोपिया पेंडेमिक इज हैपनिंग ऑल ओवर? And the main reason is those computers and iPads and mobiles and screens. And it's just beautiful to understand how science works and how evolution works. कि क्या हो रहा है basically ना, nature has designed our eyes to look at a distance. Natural state में when we are looking at a distance, तो हमारी eyes की सारी जो muscles होती हैं, they are in a relaxed state. But when you are looking near, you are kind of putting strain on your muscles. तो जब आपको पास का देखना है, सो आप अपनी आंखों को अंदर की तरफ मोड़ते हो, your muscles are working. There are some muscles inside the eye जो आपके लेंस को थोड़ा सा मोटा करती है, and you are able to read near, right? So naturally you are designed to see distance, but you are forcing yourself to do near work for prolonged hours. 10 घंटे 12 घंटे बच्चे लगे रहते हैं on your iPads and mobiles. So all this is giving a signal to your brain कि पास का देखना is more important. दूर का देखना is not important. Whereas nature has made you to see for far and you're forcing yourself to see near. तो इससे ना हमारी bodies में, हमारे eye में change आ रहा है. This is evolution which is happening. हमारी eye का जो size है, it is elongating. और जब ये लंबा हो रहा है तो आँख में माइनस का नंबर चढ़ रहा है. But the beauty is that if you have minus number in your eyes, you don't have to now put strain to read. So you understand how the beauty of this कि अब उसने पास का देखने के लिए the body has changed itself, so now you don't have to put strain to read up close, but now you have a minus number in your eyes forever.
Yeah. ये जो forever है, obviously you're in the business of correcting it.
Yeah,
क्योंकि,
kind of business.
Yeah, kind of business. But you know, when you're a child, your parents or grandparents say, इतने पास से मत पढ़ो. So is it that the closer the iPad or the phone,
The more the stress you're putting on the muscles.
So that's
you see
true.
This new feature has come in iPhones.
Which is?
कि अगर आप ज़्यादा पास ले आओ उसको, so it gives you a warning.
Oh really?
कि दूर कर लो.
हाँ.
The exact science is working behind this. कि the more closer you bring that screen to your eyes, the more your muscles have to work to focus those diverging rays which are coming out.
Correct.
So the more strain you're putting. So if you keep screen at a distance, so जिन लोगों को आँख में strain बनता है ना ज़्यादा, तो उनको हम ये recommend करते हैं कि आप एक बड़ी screen ले लो और आप थोड़ा सा दूर रखो. Keep it at an arm's length.
Correct.
That is putting less strain onto your eyes.
Very interesting, because now life without gadgets though is impossible. It's not a possibility, especially for kids, because if you see, I have nephews myself. They are eating meals with a tab, or you know, they're before sleeping they want the tab, or on the weekend they want to play some kind of game on the television.
And now if you take that mobile from their hand, they start crying.
Yeah.
So parents have found it a solution to make the child comfortable कि वो अगर रो भी रहा है तो उसको मोबाइल पकड़ा देते हैं. उसमें उनके वो आते रहते हैं कोको बेरी, कोको मेलन, पता नहीं क्या देखते रहते हैं. They hooked on for it for hours and hours and hours.
Correct.
And I keep telling them कि यार अभी वो चुप तो हो रहा है, but understand this is all going to induce this myopias in your eye. And myopia में भी ना क्या होता है एक्चुअली कि अगर आपका छोटा नंबर हो, जैसे चश्मे का नंबर अगर आपका 6 से कम है, you still okay, safe. After that, it's called pathological myopia. तो उसमें नंबर के साथ there are other problems that start coming to your eyes. So now people understand कि चश्मा आ रहा है, so they come to us कि डॉक्टर साहब चश्मा आ गया कि अब इसको बढ़ने से हम रोक सकते हैं. भाई आ तो गया ही है, but is there a way that maybe we can stop the progression, or maybe we can halt it as much as possible? So even that is possible now.
Okay. So just to, matlab, you don't reduce it, but at least you halt it from growing higher.
Yeah. So let's say somebody at an age of about 5 years, आँख में 2 नंबर आ गया है. Now it is predicted that this number would reach about 5, 6. But now with technology, we can halt it to, let's say 3.5, almost 50-60% बढ़ने से ना, you can stop it.
What is the technology?
So there are 2-3 things which are working on this, and all this is called a myopia control program. So वहाँ पे there are some eye drops. So one of the drops are mild, this thing, diluted atropine. उसको use करके we can stop this progression. Then there are certain kind of contact lenses. उनको orthokeratology कहते हैं. So special kind of a contact lens, you wear it at night, morning you have to take it out. That kind of controls the progression. और एक special MyoSmart glasses आते हैं. But all this has to be discussed with your treating doctor.
Correct.
तो उसमें we also change your lifestyle. We encourage you to go outdoors into sun, play outdoor activities. Because you see, when you're outdoors, again you're bringing your eyes onto a natural state. दूर का देख रहे हो, eye muscle relax हो रही हैं. Plus also it has come forward कि जो sun rays है, when they fall onto your eyes, तो हमारी eyes में कुछ certain chemicals release होते हैं retina में. So that also tends to prevent that elongation.
Correct.
So all this work is being done कि screen तो लग गया है, you can't really escape too much from it. Is there a way that maybe we can prevent it reaching at an extreme level?
Yes, absolutely. तो ये इस बात की भी बहुत ही चर्चा होती है, right? कि धूप को, some people say you should look at the sun, some people say that बहुत ही बुरा है, you should never look directly in the sun. So what is correct? Like how do you...
No, when I say कि you have to go outdoors,
yeah,
it does not mean you have to start looking towards the sun.
Right.
Looking towards the sun will always be harmful for your eyes.
But if you're just naturally outdoor,
then
वो
it doesn't make
automatically
any difference. Then it
release
doesn't
हो
make any
जाता
difference.
है.
You don't have to look directly towards the sun rays.
हाँ.
And इसमें बहुत मेजर प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. If you look, मतलब वो मोहब्बतें नहीं बनना अमिताभ बच्चन. इसमें क्या होता है, when this light is entering your eye, it can burn the back of your eye, which is called retina. और इस पैथोलॉजी का एक स्पेशल नाम भी है, इसको कहते हैं सोलर रेटिनोपैथी.
Correct.
कि वो सन रेज से बर्न हो गया and it leaves a black kind of a shadow in your vision. और फिर वो ठीक नहीं हो सकता. Then you have to live with it. It's a permanent damage.
Oh God. Okay.
So never look at the sun directly.
And you know, when you talk about जो eye drops है, या certain things like, for example, one of my nephews went for this eye yoga जो है at the age of about 5 or 6, और उसका number actually कम हो गया by just doing certain exercises. And there's a lot of chatter कि ये करने से ऐसे होता है, ये करने से नहीं होता. तो what is your general take on this, right?
See, I come across so many videos on social media, people claiming कि ये ड्रॉप डाल लो चश्मा ठीक हो जाएगा, ये गोली खा लो चश्मा ठीक हो जाएगा, ये मसाज कर लो, ये योगा कर लो, ये आयुर्वेदा कर लो, ये होम्योपैथी कर लो, ये जड़ी बूटी खा लो. All of this cannot work if we look at scientifically, right? We have to understand कि ये चश्मे का नंबर क्यों आया. It is because of the elongation of eyeball that we're talking about. अब अगर मेरी हाइट 5 फीट से 6 फीट हो गई एंड आई हैव टू ब्रिंग इट बैक टू 5 फीट, तो मेरे को सर्जरी करके पैरों को काटना ही पड़ेगा ना. देयर इज नो मैजिक मेडिसिन दैट कैन रिड्यूस दिस साइज. सो साइंटिफिकली इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल एट ऑल. बट हाँ, बिकॉज देयर सो मेनी क्लेम्स हैपनिंग अराउंड, तो लोग मिसलेड तो होते ही हैं. देन पीपल टेंड टू गो इन फॉर ऑल दिस, फिर उनको आराम नहीं आता, देन दे कम इन फॉर द प्रोसीजर्स.
करेक्ट.
सो दिस इज द एवरीडे रूटीन. सो मेनी पीपल आई मीट कि डॉक्टर साहब मैंने वो दवाई डाली थी, हमने सुना था जी इसका हट गया था, उसका हट गया था, सुना सुनी हमने भी डाल दी, नहीं आया आराम.
सो बेसिकली प्रोसीजर के अलावा देयर इज नथिंग दैट एक्चुअली
Nothing in this
reduces.
world.
Really? So why is there such a big association with गाजर खा लो आईसाइट अच्छी हो
नहीं,
जाएगी?
गाजर खाने से आईसाइट अच्छी नहीं हो गया, पूरी जिंदगी गाजर खा लो, उससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
तो ये मिथ आए
मैं
कहाँ से?
बताता हूँ कहाँ से
हाँ.
आया. बिकॉज गाजर जो है ना, इट इज रिच इन अ स्पेसिफिक विटामिन ए.
हाँ.
एंड अगर विटामिन ए की हमारी बॉडी में कमी हो जाए, सो यू हैव वन प्रॉब्लम इन दी आई जिसमें नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस हो जाता है, रात को कम दिखना शुरू हो जाता है. सो इफ यू हैव दैट प्रॉब्लम एंड यू आर ईटिंग गाजर, दैट विल वर्क लाइक मैजिक फॉर यू. फिर तो नजर बढ़ेगी.
हाँ. Which is an extreme niche जो है उसके लिए सिर्फ.
But apart from this, there are thousands of other eye problems. And every problem, most of the problem that will happen to your eye ना, वो नजर ही खराब करेगी.
हाँ.
Because eye का एक सिस्टम है, आई के किसी भी पार्ट में प्रॉब्लम होगी तो इट इज गोइंग टू इफेक्ट योर विजन.
करेक्ट.
तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि गाजर हर चीज सॉल्व करेगी. सो ये गाजर खाना और ये हरी घास पर चलना सुबह सुबह, दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ थिंग्स पीपल फॉलो. या कुछ लोग वो डालते हैं आजकल, घी डालते हैं, कुछ लोग शहद डालते हैं, कुछ लोग रोज़ वाटर डालते हैं, कुछ लोग गौमूत्र डालते हैं, कुछ लोग काजल लगाते रहते हैं बच्चों की आंख में कि रोशनी बढ़ेगी. ऑल दीज थिंग्स रियली डोंट वर्क. नथिंग्स गोइंग टू वर्क.
और ये जो आईसाइट और ये जो हम आईसाइट के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि नंबर इस समय आएगा उस समय आएगा, हाउ इज इट डिक्टेटेड? इज इट जेनेटिक्स या फिर सिर्फ प्योरली लाइफस्टाइल के ऊपर है? क्योंकि लाइक यू सेड राइट कि हज़ारों साल से लोग देखते ही आ रहे हैं, फिर अभी इतना क्यों बढ़ गया है?
बोथ थिंग्स आर वर्किंग.
ओके.
Genetics have been there throughout. Lifestyle modifications have happened recently.
बट जेनेटिक्स फैक्टर है.
100% genetics तो ऑलमोस्ट हर चीज़ में रोल प्ले करेगा ना. बट नाउ द लाइफ स्टाइल इज चेंज्ड, सो नाउ दे वर्किंग टुगेदर एंड ऑल दिस प्रॉब्लम इज हैपनिंग. अच्छा, चश्मे का नंबर भी जो है ना, मेनली 2 स्टेजेस में आ सकता है. एक होता है व्हेन यू ग्रोइंग, सो व्हेन यू पिकिंग अप, मतलब व्हेन यू बॉर्न, यू पिकिंग अप योर एज, यू पिकिंग अप योर हाइट, बॉडी में ग्रोथ हार्मोन्स है, आई का साइज बढ़ रहा है, दैट इज द टाइम यू कैन डेवलप चश्मे का नंबर. देन आफ्टर 18-20 इट स्टेबलाइजेस, फिर नहीं बढ़ने वाला. सो यू हर्ड कि ये सारी जो लेसिक सर्जरीज है, वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट लेसिक एंड ऑल दी स्पेक्स रिमूवल प्रोसीजर्स, दे आर डन आफ्टर द एज ऑफ 18 बिकॉज 18 के बाद दैट ग्रोथ हार्मोन्स हैव गॉन, योर बॉडी इज नॉट gaining height, your eyeball is not increasing now, number has become stable. तो अब जब हम इसको हटाएंगे, this should ideally last for a lifetime.
Correct.
And then you have another number coming in which is around 40-45. उसमें reading का number आ जाता है at that age.
It's close.
Yeah,
हाँ.
reading का पढ़ने का number
Correct.
होता है. That's called presbyopia. So that's an age-related process कि aging के साथ you tend to lose the flexibility of your lens, तो फिर reading का number आएगा. So ये 2 stages है जब आपका basically number आ सकता है.
Okay. तो लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में बात करते हैं. We'll come back to LASIK also because I have a personal experience. But जब हम लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में बात करते हैं, now kids can go out, they can play, they can have time with nature. Typically क्या होता है कि adults, especially now corporate में, 8 to 10 hours लैपटॉप के सामने होते ही होते हैं. Or it's on your phone, your iPad, device. Without a device, a human being, an adult का functioning बहुत ही मुश्किल है. उस हिसाब से लाइफस्टाइल में कैसे चेंजेस ला सकते हैं दैट यू कैन बैलेंस ये जो हाइपर स्क्रीन टाइम जो हो गया है विथ few things that हम कर सकते हैं to balance it out.
नहीं, इसमें ना what happens is that screen is affecting differently children who are growing, who are below the age of 18 years, and differently who are adults. So children में तो we are talking कि भाई ये myopic changes होंगे, नंबर आएगा. Adults में तो ये change आएगा नहीं, body grow हो चुकी है अब. So adults will have all those eye strains, digital eye strains, computer vision syndromes, asthenopic problems, ये आएगा. So you see so many times all these people who are into ITs and long hours on the screen, they keep complaining कि आंखें dry लगती हैं,
हाँ.
आंखें में दर्द होते रहता है, सिर में दर्द होते रहता है, पानी निकलते रहते हैं आंख से. So this is all a part of all this digital strain which is happening. तो इसके लिए एक्चुअली करना तो होता है कि इट्स कॉल्ड अ 20-20-20 रूल दैट इज टू बी फॉलोड. तो इसमें व्हाट वी से इज कि आफ्टर एवरी 20 मिनट्स टेक अ 20-second break.
Okay.
And look 20 feet दूर. You're talking about 20 feet, no? So
हाँ.
20 feet means you're looking at infinity.
Correct.
So you're relaxing your muscles. Then we say कि थोड़ा सा इसमें 2-3 बार blink कर लिया करो. If you have a lubricating drop, थोड़ा सा उसको डाल लिया करो and you're fairly comfortable. Plus थोड़ा सा और हम suggest कर देते हैं, like you're talking big screens ले लो. Keep it at an arm's length. It should be at your eye level. AC की हवा, पंखे की हवा should not be directly coming to your eyes. Because what is happening is when you're long hours on the screen, now you're blinking less. So normal person is supposed to blink about 16 times a minute. It gets reduced to 6 times a minute. So when you're not blinking, हमारी आंखों में tears बन रहे हैं, वो फैल नहीं रहे, and you have these dry eye problems coming in. But if it happens on a continuous basis, आराम नहीं आ रहा, then you have to visit a doctor and get checked कि where is the real problem.
Or when we talk about lifestyle, women especially, right? Eye makeup is a big thing.
I know, and they come to me left, right, center. आज आंख फूल गई, आज आंख में लाली हो गई.
And the thing is, कुछ भी react कर सकता है. Like I faced it कि I switched एक बार because the product, the kajal that I typically use नहीं था, तो I just got a substitute. Immediately my eye was red. Immediately. So also makeup removal is a task, but it's a task for women, and वो कुछ ना कुछ रह ही जाता है. So especially for women, what are the suggestions that you will make for eye care?
See, ultimately we have to understand that every makeup that you put onto your eyes is a source of contamination and allergen for the eyes. It's a foreign body.
No matter how
safe
the brand
they are,
yeah.
organic they are, pure they are, natural they are, it's a foreign body to your eye. The body will react to it. Sometimes it will react more aggressively, sometimes it will react mildly, you don't even get to know. So first you have to understand what components of the makeups are suiting you. So some people could be more allergic or hypersensitive to a particular content of the makeup, उसको avoid करो. So you get to know आपकी आंखों में reactions आ रहे हैं, आंखें फूल रही हैं, वो सब problems आ रही है, so you get to know. So you otherwise some people are anyway sensitive to makeup, so then you have to avoid them. You don't have to continuously keep trying कि मैं दूसरा brand ले लूँ, दूसरा try कर लूँ. If your eyes are sensitive to that particular thing, they'll always be sensitive to it.
Okay.
Right? And उसके बाद क्या होता है कि even if the makeup is suiting you well, still we are not very careful or casual about removing makeup. और जब वो पार्टिकल्स आंख में रह जाते हैं ना, एंड यू आर स्लीपिंग ऑन इट ओवरनाइट, देन दे स्टार्ट बिकमिंग अ रियल प्रॉब्लम.
व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम?
फिर आंखों में एलर्जीज होनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. राइट, स्टार्टिंग में एलर्जी होगी, यू विल पुट एन एंटी एलर्जिक ड्रॉप, यू विल बी कंफर्टेबल. प्रोलॉन्ग एलर्जी चलती रहेगी. एवरी डे यू पुटिंग मेकअप, एवरी डे एलर्जी इज हैपनिंग, एवरी डे पुटिंग एंटी एलर्जिक, साइकिल बन गया. अब इस साइकिल को तोड़ना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज ये एलर्जी क्रॉनिक हो जाएगी. अब इतनी क्रॉनिक हो जाएगी कि दवाई से भी ठीक नहीं होगी. राइट, दिस इज वन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स. सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है कि दिस मेकअप इज यूजली पुट ऑन द लिड मार्जिन्स, वाटर लाइन कहते हैं कुछ लोग उसको. यहाँ पे ना कुछ स्पेशल डक्ट्स होते हैं हमारी आंख में, दोज आर कॉल्ड मेबोनियन ग्लैंड्स. उसके डक्ट्स होते हैं जो ऑयल प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, and this oil makes a very big component of your natural healthy tears. तो ये जो particles होते हैं ना, ये उनको block कर देते हैं, and that oil part of your tear it goes down. और उससे आपको dryness आना शुरू हो जाता है. तो you continuously you are on lubricating drops, continuously you are on anti-allergic drops, makeup लग रहा है, blepharitis हो रहा है, allergies हो रही है, dryness हो रहा है, cycle बन रहा है, so it becomes a big problem. So how do you remove the makeup?
Yeah.
So removal is the most important
Correct.
thing. Putting भी अलग बात है, but removal is the most important
But ये
thing.
problem क्या हो जाती है कि the makeup is very stubborn, especially
It's
eye
all
makeup.
waterproof now.
Especially eye makeup is extremely stubborn, and I think a lot of women who are watching this episode will resonate
Yeah.
कि face का
आराम से हट
आराम
जाता
से
है.
निकल जाता
Because
है.
they
eye
intentionally
makeup.
make that, na? They understand there are tears around the eye, so they have to make it resistant to all of those things as well. So इसमें ना क्या होता है, सबसे पहले when you're removing, it has to be thoroughly washed. When you're washing, use a mild cleanser to wash, not a very strong cleanser. तो अलग अलग brands के आते हैं, I'm not putting the brand names here. And then when you wash it off, then you have to wipe, especially the lid margins. So now some eye wipes are available. So when you've thoroughly washed it and you know your eyes are nice and clean, you take that wipe and you just swipe through your lid margins ताकि वहाँ पे ना blocking हो.
Okay.
So that has to be avoided.
But in the world of eye makeup, right, जो कि बहुत ही है for like
कितना
one
बोल
eye.
देंगे उनको?
हाँ, there's a kajal, there's a mascara, there's eyeshadow. What is particularly bad according to you?
Everything. You see, any foreign material that you put onto your eyes
Is bad.
in a long term thing is going to eventually have problems.
Okay.
Same with your contact lenses. You've seen contact lens wearers.
Yeah.
जब वो starting में पहनते हैं, everything is comfortable. When they're wearing it for a prolonged period, हो गया 2-4 महीने 6 महीने हो गए, start getting those allergies, dryness, redness, foreign body sensations. So it happens every time.
So what is the solution? क्योंकि
Avoid as much as possible.
contact lenses.
Contact lenses also, makeups also.
See again ये जो
But क्या करें? What can you do about
what
it?
can you do about it? क्योंकि
लेसिक करा लो.
LASIK
Contact lens
करा
मत
लो.
पहनो.
So a lot of people also ask about flap based and flap-less LASIK procedure. तो वो क्या होता है? Difference क्या है?
ये ना actually थोड़ा सा what was happening was that let us understand थोड़ा सा from the starting that when these LASIK procedures came in, so when we were doing this surgery on the cornea, this laser was not being put directly on the cornea. So what we were doing that we were making a layer which we used to call the flap. We used to lift that flap, put laser and reposit the flap back. अब क्या होता था, इस फ्लैप को बनाने में कभी कभी कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हो जाती थी बिकॉज दीज फ्लैप्स आर इनिशियली बीइंग मेड विद वेरी ट्रेडिशनल टेक्नोलॉजी. सो वहाँ से एक फ्लैप का फियर शुरू हुआ था कि अगर आपके आँख में लेसिक कराया हुआ है, हमने आँख में फ्लैप बनाया हुआ है, एंड लेट्स से tomorrow something hits your eye too majorly, like a major punch or like a major ball hitting, तो ये फ्लैप अपनी जगह से हिल सकता है. So to solve this problem, flap-less technologies came in. So they were the second generation of procedures for vision correction, जैसे Smile आया था और अब जो latest है Silk. So then we all shifted to flap-less procedures. But then over the time what happened that these flaps qualities also improve with time. So जैसे लेज़र टेक्नोलॉजी improve हो रही है वैसे फ्लैप को बनाने का क्वालिटी एंड आर्किटेक्चर भी improve हो रहा है. So in today's time we can make such beautiful flaps with second generation lasers with perfect centration, perfect depth, perfect angles and perfect thickness, perfect bed smoothness that now as of today there is actually not much relevance कि flap वाला कराओ कि flapless कराओ, because even the flaps with time have become so advanced that those flap complications जो पहले होती थी they've disappeared now. So in my practice flap related complications are zero.
Okay.
So but the thing is कि flapless sounds little fancy. So people still want to avoid that छोटा सा risk कि भाई बहुत जोर से चोट लग गई तो that flap can move. But now the newer flaps are also so strong that it has to be really something strong to hit your eye कि flap complication होगा. So we say that आज की डेट में मतलब chances of dying in a plane crash are more, chances of getting into a shark attack is more, chances of dying in a lightning strike are more than something happening to your flap with an injury.
Right.
So that is the safety that we have reached. But हाँ, आज की डेट में when somebody comes in for the vision correction, we offer them two techniques. कि you can get your laser surgery with a flap, you can get your laser surgery without the flap. Both have their own pros and cons. But both as of today are 99.9999% safe. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि ये ज़्यादा safe है, ये कम safe है. And when we are making a flap, we are able to give you better quality. Remember we're talking about eagle's eye vision?
Yeah.
That is only possible when we make a flap.
Okay.
So options are available, but now the preference is again the market is shifting towards the flap-based procedures.
Okay. Very interesting.
Yeah.
The trend moves.
Yeah. So there was a trend which disappeared for a while and then it is
back,
re-emerged.
yeah, it's like how everything in fashion comes back.
So ये है, मतलब options are there. So somebody comes in कि चश्मा हटवाना है तो हम उसको बोलते हैं भैया 2 options हैं आपके पास, flapless वाला करा लो silk, that is the latest, flap वाला करा लो wavelet plus innovative, that is the latest. Flapless now it doesn't offer anything, any bigger advantage. मतलब
Cost?
हाँ, cost बराबर सही होता है
Same.
मोटा मोटा.
It's equal.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then everybody goes for the flap based procedure now.
So when you talk about LASIK, right? A lot of people also wear contact lenses क्योंकि उनको eye का color बदलना होता है. Because it's not just the vision.
Yeah.
It's the aesthetic.
No, I'm not against contact lenses.
हाँ.
Contact lens को ध्यान से पहन लो, थोड़ा hygiene अच्छे से maintain कर लो. Try to wear daily disposable contact lenses. Then they work well. Once in a while, absolutely no problem. The problem is when you wear it every day.
Every single day.
Yeah.
तो but is there a way, क्योंकि Google पे ये question बहुत ही पूछा जाता है, can your eye color change? Is
Yeah.
there a way? How?
Yes, we can change it temporarily also. We can change it permanently also.
How?
Eye color को change करने के अलग-अलग तरीके हैं. So there are some medicines that when you put onto your eyes, they tend to bleach the brown part of your eye. So we can make it slightly bluish, greenish. एक ये तरीका है. Then you have
But
something.
this is safe. This is like
Not safe, so it is not popular and it's not recommended also. But this is one of the way we can do it. Another way to do it is you have some iris implants. So they are special silicone disc होता है. It is placed right in front of the black portion of the eye. So वो change हो जाता है. But both these options are not very widely practiced because ultimately they have so many side effects कि उसको deal करने में एक अलग hassle है.
अच्छा.
So even if you want to change color of your eyes, no, still the best way to do it is कि वो contact lenses पहन लो temporarily.
One time use और निकाल.
रात को सुबह पहन लो, रात को निकाल लो. That is still the safest
Yeah.
amongst the other procedures which are available.
Okay. So now we will bust some myths, ठीक है? This few तो we already discussed, but
ठीक
we'll
है.
bust some myths and then go forward. आंवला एंड कैरेट खाने से विजन इम्प्रूव होती है?
नहीं होती.
नहीं होती. करेक्टिव प्रिस्क्रिप्शन नंबर्स कैन बी रिवर्स्ड?
Yes, reversed as in मतलब एक चश्मे का आ गया वो हट जाएगा.
हाँ.
No, only with the surgery.
Only with surgery,
It
not
can be
natural.
corrected, not naturally.
Okay. Sleeping with contact lenses can permanently damage eyes?
Yes, absolutely.
Really?
You want to know how?
Yeah.
इसमें ना क्या होता है? What is a contact lens? It's a piece that you are pasting on the front part of your eye, which is cornea.
Correct.
अब क्या होता है, ये जो कॉर्निया होता है ना, इसमें ब्लड वेसल्स नहीं होते. इट इज टेकिंग ऑक्सीजन डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द एयर एंड नाउ व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, यू प्लेसिंग अ बैरियर देयर. सो आपने जो ऑक्सीजन डिलीवरी ऑन टू योर आईज है उसको कुछ हद तक कम कर दिया. सो योर आई इज इन अ स्टेट ऑफ हाइपोक्सिया, लो ऑक्सीजन. When your eye is in a state of low oxygen, it is more susceptible to catching infections. अब मान लो किसी ने कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस की प्रॉपर हाइजीन मेंटेन नहीं करी, उसको अच्छे से साफ नहीं करा, उसमें इन्फेक्शन लगी रह गई, उसको आँख में पहन लिया, ठीक है. ऑलरेडी योर आई इज कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड, ऑक्सीजन कम है, हाइयर चांसेस कि इन्फेक्शन पकड़ लेगा. अब आप सो गए हो तो जो थोड़ी बहुत ऑक्सीजन जा भी रही थी ना डिफ्यूज़ होकर कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस से, वो भी ख़त्म हो गई अब. So now if it infected lens you wear and you sleep on top of it, तो अगले दिन तो सुबह अल्सर बन जाएगा आँख में. फिर वो अल्सर ठीक तो कर देंगे हम, बट उसको ठीक करते करते it tends to leave a scar on the cornea and you tend to partially lose quality of vision also.
Wow. What is the most shocking case that you've seen?
अभी did you not hear this thing was a national news? क्या नाम था? There was some girl, जसलीन था नाम, some very famous celebrity. वो कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज ओवरनाइट अगले दिन अल्सर बन गया था. शी हैड टू बी गिवन प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट एंड दिस वाज बिकेम अ ह्यूज न्यूज़.
And have you seen something
Every
widely
day,
taken?
every
Yeah.
day.
What is the most common one? The most
Crazy
shocking?
things that people do. कभी कभी ना sometimes what happens when you wear contact lenses, no, तो there is a natural space in your eye ऊपर.
हाँ.
It can sometimes fold and get stuck there.
It can go up or down. Yeah.
So लोगों को लगता है कि कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस कहीं आंख के पीछे तो नहीं चला गया कि वो निकल ही नहीं सकता.
हाँ.
तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता.
नहीं होता. So it can either be up or down.
Yeah, so it can just get stuck here. And I've seen a person जिसकी आंख में 3 कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस stuck थे. तो उसने एक पहना, वो हट गया होगा, फिर उसने एक और पहन लिया. So we had to pull out those 3 contact lenses.
Oh my God. And have you seen any makeup related
प्रॉब्लम्स happening. So many girls come morning सुबह they come कि आंखें पूरी फूल गई होती हैं, सूज गई होती हैं, all puffy eyes and red eyes happening. That's like a sensitivity reaction to makeup. Then we give them all those anti-allergens and drops and mild steroids to help them.
Yeah. What about life-changing surgeries, right? Because you're in this profession ki you literally in your hand have the power to change somebody's life. For example, somebody who couldn't see and does see after. Have you experienced that?
Yeah,
ever?
that's a very fulfilling experience, no?
Yeah. So tell me something.
When you operate somebody who's come to me virtually blind, and that patient is able to see again, so more than the patient, you are happy.
So ये कब हुआ है? And how
ये तो हर रोज ही होता है.
Really? Yeah.
This is an everyday. That is my dopamine rush.
Yeah. So tell me a story that particularly stood out to you.
Every day, there's so many patients that come in. किसी को cataract का problem है, किसी को चश्मे का problem है. Recently, I got a Limca record for correcting the highest
negative 30,
power.
right?
That was negative 32.5.
Oh my God.
So just imagine somebody is plight with that. किसी का चश्मा इतना मोटा है, and if you take that glasses off, that person is virtually blind.
Yeah.
And even with the glasses, that person is not leading a normal life. You see, this glasses, it is not just a cosmetic issue. It's a lifestyle issue. किसी बच्चे को चश्मा लगाए तो वो स्विमिंग नहीं कर सकता, क्रिकेट नहीं खेल सकता, फुटबॉल नहीं खेल सकता. It's a bigger issue than only cosmetic. So, and imagine 90% of the people having this.
Yeah. It's a huge number.
It's a huge number.
And when you set out to do these surgeries, right, or you set out to kind of correct the number jo hai, like you said earlier that typically after 18 the number doesn't come back, especially with LASIK. मैंने LASIK किया है, my number came back.
I know your story.
Yeah.
So we'll bust that myth.
Yeah, I have negative 2.25 and negative 5. So how does it happen? Also a sub question there is that people say that number जो है, even if you've done LASIK, comes back during events जैसे pregnancy हो, the number
हो सकता है, little fluctuation can happen. Let's put light on that कि ऐसा हुआ क्यों और किस के साथ ऐसा हो सकता है, and what are the chances of that. See, what are we doing in a LASIK procedure? LASIK में ना अलग अलग टाइप्स के हैं, so they are collectively called as LASIK, but now we are not really doing the standard LASIK procedure. Now the technologies have upgraded. So now the latest technology is something called as Wavelight plus Innovize. We're using artificial intelligence for that. But any which way, the basic principle still remains the same. What is LASIK doing? So your eye has elongated. Now we know that we cannot shorten this eyeball. तो हम ये जो लाइट का फोकस लूज हो गया इसको ठीक कैसे करते हैं? We are working on the top layer of the eye, which is called cornea. And this laser, it is basically kind of sculpting and it is changing the curvature of that structure, cornea. And when we are changing this curvature, what we are trying to do is कि ये जो eye लंबी हो गई, जिससे फोकस यहाँ पे रह गया और आई लंबी हो गई, we are bringing this focus from here to here and you are able to see without glasses again.
You're extending the focus instead of shortening the length.
हाँ, so what we are doing is curvature को हमने थोड़ा flat कर देते हैं. So when we do this flattening, you are kind of shifting the focus which was here, but the eye is elongated. So we are bringing this from here to here where the eye has reached after elongation. Correction कर दिया, ठीक है? But understand, it's a human eye. It's not plastic. It's a living tissue. Breathe करता है, ऑक्सीजन लेता है, cells हैं वो die out करते हैं, नए cells बनते हैं, right? So in all this process, the number can fluctuate sometimes, right? So what the case which has happened with you is not very commonly seen. So we say most of the times in 99% of the people, it is once corrected, it is corrected forever. But we will still have about 1-2% category जिनका थोड़ा बहुत eyes में change हुआ. ऐसा भी हो सकता है that when we operated you, your number was not stable maybe because 18 is no benchmark. Human body है ना, some people eyes can grow till 19, some people can grow till 20.
There's no way to actually tell.
It's a human body. So we all have exceptions. But the question is कि suppose LASIK हमने कराया and हमारा number 5-6 whatever था, हमने उसको हटाया और कुछ टाइम बाद एक आध नंबर दोबारा आ गया. Now what is the solution? Can we recorrect it? Absolutely. So all these procedures, they all have options of recorrection. So we tell all our patients कि in case 99% we know, we have been doing it for the last 30 years and we understand 99% में कुछ नहीं होने वाला. It is going to stay with you forever. But human body exceptions, in case you get stuck in that exception, come back to us. एंड देन डू अ रीट्रीटमेंट और फिर उसको दोबारा ठीक कर देते हैं.
कितनी बार कर सकते हैं?
बहुत बार ही कर सकते हैं टिल द टाइम वी हैव सफिशिएंट कॉर्नियल थिकनेस.
ओके.
सो एवरी टाइम व्हेन वी आर डूइंग दिस लेसिक प्रोसीजर ना थोड़ा सा टिश्यू को रिमूव करते हैं, तब भी हम उसका कर्व चेंज करते हैं. बट आई हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट आई हैव मिनिमम सेफ्टी लिमिट ऑल्सो. आई कांट गो बियॉन्ड दैट.
Correct.
So till the time I have that margin, I can do these minor Z correction and make you perfect again. But अब क्या हो रहा है? Now with the new technology, this Wavelight plus Innovice that has come in, the artificial intelligence, now the technology has already incorporated future changes in the current treatment.
Okay.
So now with so much of experience, we know that how your eye will change after LASIK. And they've already incorporated that change. So now ये जो पहले होता था कि भाई थोड़ा सा चेंज होगी क्वालिटी, now it stays with you for a longer period because they understand कि ऐसे आई चेंज होगी और अगर ऐसे ट्रीटमेंट करोगे so आपका क्वालिटी ऑफ विजन will stay with you forever.
But what about जैसे हम इवेंट्स के बारे में बात करते हैं during pregnancy, बहुत ही सारे
हार्मोनल चेंजेस वगैरह होते हैं ना, तो थोड़ा चेंज हो सकता है, but that change is temporary. So once you're over with your phase of pregnancy, over with your feeding, तो वो normalize हो जाता है.
Really?
हाँ, it's a
so you don't need
temporary
to get corrective surgery?
Most of the time it is temporary.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you know when you talk about refractive surgery also, इतनी ज़्यादा सक्सेस रेट है, लेकिन लोग एक्चुअली डरते हैं. There is a hesitation to go ahead and
To tell you something very interesting.
Yeah.
I went to South Korea about a month, 2 months back. So South Korea में almost 94% of the population को चश्मा चढ़ा हुआ है. 94%.
Okay.
Imagine.
Yeah.
But when you are walking on the streets na market, you hardly see anybody wearing glasses. Hardly. Because what is happening there, almost everybody there is opting for these refractive procedures. And it is such a big market there कि सबसे ज़्यादा records भी ये बनाते हैं, सबसे ज़्यादा surgeries भी ये करते हैं. And now they have hospitals that are dedicated only for specs removal. एक ही काम हो रहा है उस हॉस्पिटल में कि चश्मा हटा रहे हो, कुछ नहीं कर रहे. Right? So people have understood this. People are taking advantage of it. Now slowly this trend is coming to India also. Actually ना ये surgeries थोड़ी महंगी हैं.
Okay.
Because all these machines they come in crores. And the burden is on the patient to pay. And there is no support to pay because ये जो चश्मा हटाने का ऑपरेशन है ना, it is considered as a cosmetic treatment.
हाँ, it is not a necessity.
So your insurances don't cover it, your government health schemes don't cover it, your Ayushman doesn't cover it, nobody covers it. So the patient has to pay from their own pocket.
How much does it cost?
It can vary from 25,000 to 1,50,000 both eyes.
इतना बड़ा वेरिएशन क्यों?
Because एक तो LASIK standard 25-30 साल पुराना हो गया, and now we have latest technologies. So somebody is opting for an older technology, it has become cheaper with time. Latest technologies cost slightly higher. But पुराना कोई कराता नहीं है ना. Nobody wants to experiment with their eyes at 18 years of age.
Correct, correct.
So this all want the best and there's no support to get the best treatment. तो फिर कुछ EMIs में करा लेते हैं, कुछ differently अपना help हो जाता है.
You know, when you talk about eye health and naturally reducing setting the cap at the number, how is it that eye exercises don't work? क्योंकि typically
No, they work.
But like
not all exercises work. It depends what exercises you're doing.
Okay.
देखो एक क्या होता है when we are looking at the social media videos and all these gurus.
हाँ, वहाँ पे काफी सारे टिप्स घूमते रहते हैं कि ये कर लो, वो कर लो. हाँ,
ऐसे देखो 8 का फिगर में देखो, ऐसे करो. They don't work. See, ultimately क्या होता है कि there are specific set of muscles I told you near का देखने के लिए काम होता है. So in case those set of muscles are weak and when you start reading, writing or you start on your screens, तो 5 मिनट के बाद ही आपको पेन होना शुरू हो जाता है. That means your those set of muscles which help you to converge, you weak हो रही हैं. तो उनके लिए हम कुछ specific exercises देते हैं to strengthen those muscles.
Understand.
It is something like I go to the hospital, come back home, tomorrow somebody tells me to run a marathon, I can't do it. But if I practice my muscles every day.
You have to train your muscles,
yeah,
exactly.
Similarly, we understand that your convergence muscles are weak. You give them exercises. Over some time, they get strengthened up and you can hold your eye better on the screen.
Okay. So age group के हिसाब से, if you could give some exercises that the audience
exercise ना body की कर लो, gym में जाके eye की exercise कोई नहीं करनी.
like you said, like right now, like say the 20-20-20 rule.
20-20-20
which is effective for
it's not an exercise. It's a practice to reduce eye strain.
Correct.
But if you particularly ask me कि क्या सुबह उठ के मैं कोई routine बना लूँ कि जैसे मैं बॉडी की एक्सरसाइज करता हूँ, I'm doing dumbbells or something. Should I make a routine for my eye muscles also? No, there's no routine for that.
There's nothing. You can't.
Nothing.
Not that you can.
You don't need it. You really don't need it.
What are your top 3 tips to maintain eye health for say Parents watching for their kids
Yeah.
who are addicted to
मैं
the
बताऊँ एक
screens.
टिप क्या है for eye health? Just let them be.
Okay.
Don't touch them unnecessarily, and if when you have a problem, visit a doctor.
Yeah.
But don't do these home remedies that we come across every day. रात को सोने से पहले एक वो ड्रॉप डाल लो, आयुर्वेदिक ड्रॉप डाल लो, या सुबह उठ रहे हो तो आंखों को पानी से धो लो, रात को
या वो
पानी से
घी
धो
डाल
लो,
दो।
घी डाल लो, या कुछ और क्लेंजिंग कर लो आई की.
None of these.
You really don't need anything for your eyes. मतलब God has made a system in itself.
Correct. Okay. Let's talk about mental and emotional connection to vision, right? क्या एंजाइटी और स्ट्रेस विजन को अफेक्ट कर सकती है?
नहीं, कभी कभी क्या होता है when you are too much into anxiety and stress, so आपकी रेटिना में temporarily swelling आ सकता है. That can impact your vision on a temporary basis, but not much. This is also not seen very commonly.
Let's now talk about टेक्नोलॉजी. यू वर्क विद द लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजीज. जैसे आप कह रहे थे कि लेसिक अभी जो 25-30 साल का था, नाउ इट्स लाइक कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट. नोबडी यूजेस द ओल्ड टेक्नोलॉजी. व्हाट इज द न्यूएस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी एंड व्हाट इज द फ्यूचर, especially with AI?
I'm telling you, we are already in the future now.
Okay.
And I'll just tell you briefly about this new technology. So this new specs removal technology is called Wavelight plus Innovice.
Okay.
It's a very complicated name, but at the core of it, we are using artificial intelligence. And now, for the first time, we are able to fully utilize the potential of human eye. We have realized that all this while, we were never seeing with perfect vision. The human eye is designed to see much better, almost double of what we are seeing right now. Right? Remember, we were talking about 20/20, 6/6. So 20/20 or 6/6 is considered as a normal perfect vision. But now with technology, when we remove your glasses, we also improve, or there's a vision gain. So now patients can see 6/5, 6/4, 6/3.
Wow.
That is double of what you can see right now with the 6/6 vision.
In a 20/20 vision.
Yeah, so 20/20 vision was considered normal, perfect. But now the definition of perfect has changed.
Wow.
Now the definition is that we can see almost double of 20/20. मतलब what you see right now, imagine seeing double of that. मतलब इतना देख सकते हो तो उसका double देख पाओगे आप. So we are calling it eagle's eye vision.
Wow.
Why is this possible now? Because a normal human eye, even nature has not made the eye perfectly. There are irregularities in the eye. There are abrasions. So because of these abrasions, we were never able to make perfect focus on the retina of the eye. But now with technology, we can map your eye to such a level कि हम इस abrasions को भी ठीक कर देते हैं.
Wow.
And you're making that bullseye pinpoint focus. And we're getting that vision gain.
And when we spoke earlier, right, कि lifestyle और genetics दोनों they play an equal part, hand in hand almost. Is there some kind of gene mapping जो हो रही है टेक्नोलॉजी के स्पेस में?
बहुत सारी.
कि आप एक्चुअली जब बच्चा पैदा ही होता है, you can predict कि.
Yes, absolutely.
So is that correctable at that stage?
Yes.
How?
Some, not everything. Gene counseling is the main thing. So we suppose, let's say the parent, the mother and the father have the same disease. तो आएगी ना बच्चे में. So there are gene counselings that we do. Gene mapping is coming up big way, and now gene therapies are coming in big way.
Can you explain and elaborate?
This is all this thing, I think probably beyond the scope of this podcast, but what they're doing is that they're understanding how genes are playing role into developing these diseases. More than 400 problems of the eye which are related to genetics. And somehow if you can maybe plan a treatment before the child comes into life, you can maybe solve so many other things. So now it is kind of a retrospective thing which has started happening.
Wow.
And
400 diseases related
more
to genetics.
More than that, just for the eyes.
Wow, that's incredible. So, when you talk about technology, things like Neuralink, which is Elon Musk's
I know it's going to come big way now,
yeah.
big way.
So will it affect how surgeries or eye care?
Absolutely.
How do you imagine the future?
You see, there's so many diseases even as of today, when patients come in and we tell them that unfortunately there's no solution to it and you'll have to live with it. Now we have a tool in hand where we can give them hope. How is this Neuralink working for you? See, when somebody is blind and let's say his eye is working perfectly, so all the system of your eye is working perfectly, the light is reaching from your eye to the retina, from the optic nerve to your brain. But the visual cortex, जो brain का हिस्सा है ना जहाँ से हम लोग देखते हैं, that is not functional. How do you make it functional with the Neuralink technology?
Wow.
So all those people who have perfect eyes, but their brain is not helping them to see, now they can see again.
When do you think this will happen?
It'll take a while, about 15-20 years from today. But the beauty is that FDA has approved human trials.
On this particular
Yes.
technology.
So when the human trial starts happening, so we see a lot of scope. And that is why the evaluation is reached 6-7
it
billion.
is what it is, yeah.
Because they see a scope in the technology.
Yeah. When you talk about one step further, eye donation is huge, right? And you can potentially make somebody who's visually impaired and has no hope,
Yes.
like you said,
Yes.
where it's just not, the eye is actually damaged, see again. Talk to me a little bit about your experience with eye donation, why it's
We
so
keep
vital.
doing so many activities around eye donation. In fact, once I literally took my Lamborghini from Kashmir to Kanyakumari all the way. And we had stickers put on the car so that people get more aware about eye donation. See what is happening. Achha, let us understand what eye donation actually means. So there's a misconception about this that people feel कि पूरी आंख को निकाल के एक नई आंख को लगाया जा सकता है. That is not possible as of today, maybe in future. When we are doing eye donation and we are treating your eyes, so we are replacing only one part of your eye, which is the आगे वाला part.
The cornea.
जो cornea या जो शीशा होता है आंख का. So only that part can be replaced. Okay? And the beauty of eye donation is that one has to donate eyes after they die. So you don't have to do it during your lifetime. जब मर जाओगे तो शरीर को जला दोगे, दफना दोगे. So that is the point where you have to donate. Still nobody comes forward to do
क्यों?
it. तो वही है ना, मिसकंसेप्शंस है, सुपरस्टिशंस है, लोगों को डरता है कि आत्मा को शांति नहीं मिलेगी, अगले जन्म में अंधे पैदा हो जाएंगे. All these things come in. So that is why, although the eye donation infrastructure is developed, the government is working on it, we as doctors are pushing it, doing activities around it every year, but we hardly have any eye donations. And there's a big lakhs and lakhs of people who are just waiting for somebody to donate their eyes and they can see again. तो ये बहुत बैड स्टेट है एक्चुअली.
हाँ, और एक और जो हेजिटेशन है इज दैट देयर इज अ ब्लैक मार्केट व्हेन इट कम्स टू आई डोनेशन, और दैट देयर इज अ kind of trade that happens around this, which is very scary, which is typically also happening in other organ donations. What do you want to say about that?
Ultimately, this process has been designed to be free from all these practices. So usually when all these donations are also happening, the person who will get the donated eye is usually on the severity of the disease or the urgency of the disease. So nobody has to pay for it. And इसमें जो लोगों को लगता है कि बोली लगती है, ऑक्शन होता है या ब्लैक मार्केटिंग होती है, very rarely.
Okay.
But end of the day, we still live in a bad world and there will always be some negative elements of the society. And we can really not deny कि organ black marketing तो is a reality.
वो है ही.
वो तो है ही ना. तो उसको deny नहीं कर सकते. But Indian system, Indian government and all of our doctors, we have been particularly more towards helping somebody than actually, earning from it.
Okay.
The system is developed to maybe make it kind of a free for the donation also, for the recipient also.
And you see so many people who don't have eyesight probably also in
Yeah.
your career. Anything that they've said in terms of life or advice that
Actually, for
you
this
would
eye
like to
donation
share?
only that we're talking, no?
Huh.
If a blind patient comes to me and he gets to know that he can see again if somebody donates their eyes, तो उसकी लाइफ में तो एक ही मोटिव है कि किसी की डोनेटेड आई मिल जाए और मैं दोबारा देख लूँ. ही लिव्स फॉर दैट. कॉल करते रहते हैं, आते रहते हैं, सर आई मिली, आई किसी ने डोनेट करी, बट पीपल रियली डोंट कम फॉरवर्ड फॉर इट.
So you hope that can change.
मतलब आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, मतलब इससे बड़ा पुण्य का काम क्या हो सकता है. मतलब इफ यू आर डाइंग, यू आर डेड,
You're dead, not dying.
मतलब
Dead.
यू आर डेड,
Yeah.
योर बॉडी इज ऑफ नो यूज नाउ. अब तो उसको वेस्ट है ना, जला दोगे, दफना दोगे. सो इफ यू कैन मे बी जस्ट डोनेट सम ऑर्गन्स एंड समबडी एल्स कैन सी अगेन, तो उससे बड़ा पुण्य काम तो और कुछ हो ही नहीं
हो ही
सकता.
नहीं सकता है.
एंड इमेजिन दैट पर्सन हु गॉट दोस डोनेटेड आईज, ही कैन रीडोनेट, सो थर्ड पर्सन कैन आल्सो सी फ्रॉम दोस आईज.
Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah. So what has been that particular incident, experience that has stayed with you till today? that you say that you really got touched with that experience. I know you do this every single day, होते ही
Yeah.
रहता है.
I think particularly this was this girl only who had -32 in her eyes. And इसमें क्या हो रहा
How
है?
old was she?
She was about I think 23, 24.
God.
And इसमें ना क्या हो रहा था? It was not just a cosmetic problem. It was a big social problem for her. तो स्कूल में सब टीज कर रहे हैं, डबल बैटरी चश्मा है, मैट्रिमोनियल इश्यूज आर पॉपिंग अप, इतना मोटा चश्मा है लड़की की आंख में. सो कॉस्मेटिक इशू के साथ शी वॉज ऑल्सो एंटरिंग डिप्रेशन कि यार आई एम वर्थलेस, कि ये तो है, ऊपर वाले ने ऐसी प्रॉब्लम दे दी दैट माई लाइफ इज एनीवेज इट्स यूजलेस, आई एम जस्ट लिविंग. सो व्हेन वी रिमूव्ड हर ग्लासेस तो उसका तो ऐसा चेंज हो गया दैट वो तो ऐसे कह रही थी कि पता नहीं क्या हो गया, यू टर्न हो गया या कोई पुनर्जन्म हो गया, नया लाइफ मिल गया. मतलब नाउ शी वाज अ कंप्लीटली चेंज्ड पर्सन. मतलब एक ऐसा होता है ना ओवरनाइट कोई बंदा चेंज हो जाए,
ओवरनाइट ही होता है. Yeah.
She had a different perspective to the world and life now.
Wow. Yeah, that's special. Very
Yeah.
special.
It's very touching that you could make such a difference in somebody's life.
Yeah. You also hold a Guinness Book of World Records for treating 250 patients for their vision surgeries.
Yes, and इसमें थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है. I'm
हाँ.
not the only holder of that. So it's मेरे नाम पे आ गया because I was leading the team, but we had a team of 6 doctors.
Wow.
And we had 3 laser machines, and because these LASIK surgeries are 5-6 minutes, so we could complete that record. So we did about 250 in a day. But again, the idea whenever this thing comes up, the second question comes in कि quality में कोई compromise तो नहीं हुआ, इतना काम आपने करा है, so many. But again, I tell everybody that the idea is not to make records.
Yeah.
The idea is still to deliver quality treatment. But by chance, it's just a matter of chance कि एक बार सब इतने इकट्ठे हो गए, so we could achieve
The
this.
record.
Yeah. So before that, Korea has made 242 का because they do the maximum anyways.
Yeah.
And we could beat.
We
और
could-
कौन beat करेगा? India, China वाले तो beat करेंगे. Nobody has the capacity.
Okay. So now the next section, it's called Ask the Expert. So
Yeah.
we've curated questions जो हमारे audience ने भेजे हैं, that people from our team, people generally have, right? Most asked questions. तो वो आंसर कर लेंगे. It may be repetitive, but that's because
No
people
worries.
ask so many
Yeah,
questions
why not?
about this. Okay. Dr. Rahil, what are the top 3 simple habits I can adopt daily to improve or maintain my eye health?
Nothing. We just talked about it.
Yeah, nothing.
Nothing at all. Don't get into all these podcasts.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay. For those over 40, what are some early signs of eye condition we should watch out for?
नहीं, 40 na is a very sensitive stage because beyond 40 there are certain problems that can come in, age related issues. So you have something called as cataract, we were discussing.
Yeah.
Lens white हो जाता है. Then you have something called as diabetic retinopathy. So all diabetics should get their annual retina checked up. एक diabetic retinopathy का problem होता है, ARMD का problem हो सकता है, glaucoma का problem हो सकता है. So after 40 तो we recommend everybody that you should come in annually for a checkup.
Okay. Okay. What does blindness actually look like? Is it that everything is black, or is there some sense of color,
Blindness?
light? Yeah.
Depends on the degree of blindness that you have.
Okay.
इसमें लोग कलर ब्लाइंड भी पूछते हैं कि does color blind person see everything in grey scale? ऐसा नहीं होता.
नहीं होता.
ना, उसको शेड्स थोड़े अलग दिखते हैं. डिपेंड करता है कौन से रॉड का प्रॉब्लम है, कौन से कोन का प्रॉब्लम है.
So it's
सॉरी.
very specific.
या
As a teenager, I often deal with headaches after studying. What tips can I follow to improve eye comfort during long reading or studying sessions?
वही टिप्स करनी है. यू कैन एक्सरसाइज योर आईज, राइट? इफ यू आर ऑन द स्क्रीन यू कैन lubricate your eyes. Still, if you don't find comfort, then visit a doctor.
Okay. I often see these black floating objects in the air sometimes. Is there something wrong?
Those are normal things.
Okay.
Those are called floaters. तो हमारे क्या होता है, हमारे आई में ना एक जेल होता है, विट्रस जेल. Sometimes it can degenerate at points. It can become liquefied. तो उसका लाइट पड़ता है तो it casts a shadow on your retina and you see these cobwebs.
Yeah.
मच्छर के जाले, मक्खी जैसे उड़ते हुए दिखते हैं. So most of the times they are normal, benign है, harmless.
Okay.
But अगर ऐसा हो जाए कि सडनली बहुत सारे दिखने शुरू हो गए, then it's a problem. हो सकता है पर्दा उखड़ रहा है, कोई और इशू हो रहा है, then you should immediately see your doctor.
ओके. मैं बहुत टाइम बाहर स्पेंड करता हूँ, तो यूवी रेज से अपनी आंखों को प्रोटेक्ट कैसे कर सकता
तो
हूँ?
UVA UVB वाला चश्मा पहन लो, सन ग्लासेस पहन लो.
So these are the. So is there any particular sunglasses that you would recommend?
There are a lot of brands. They're all credible brands.
Okay.
किसी का भी पहन लो.
हाँ.
But the only thing you should be careful is that when you're buying UV protective sunglasses, make sure it is UVA and UVB.
Okay, so you have
Both
to check for UVA and UVB.
तो UV लाइट ना 3 टाइप्स की होती है, ABC. सी तो रुक जाती है ऊपर, ए और बी नीचे आ जाती है, सो योर ग्लासेस हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट यू फ्रॉम दैट. सो यूवी ए एंड बी दोनों फिल्टर होना चाहिए उसमें.
Okay. I had my LASIK surgery done 10 years ago, but now I'm developing dryness in my eyes. What should I do?
Start with lubricating drops.
Okay.
Lubricating drops से आराम नहीं आया, then visit your doctor. Maybe he might add some more drops for dryness, some anti-inflammatory drops for that matter. फिर भी आराम नहीं आ रहा, then you have some therapies also. IPL therapies होती हैं, LipiFlow therapies होती हैं. फिर भी आराम नहीं आया, then we have other intensive measures also. So you should just visit a dry eye specialist or a cornea specialist. He will help you.
Okay. Now let's talk about what we touched about briefly in this section, but a lot of people have the question about diabetes and eye and the correlation. So for those watching, right, what can they do to kind of prevent / control the correlation?
See, diabetes is a lifestyle problem. Right.
Genetics or?
Genetics, yes, but mostly a lifestyle problem.
Okay.
So you have unhealthy lifestyle, you have bad habits. So diabetes.
Unhealthy lifestyle is basically sugar.
शुगर हो गया, स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ हो गया, स्मोकिंग ड्रिंकिंग हो गया, सेडेंटरी लाइफ हो गया, नॉट गेटिंग इनटू एक्टिविटीज, नॉट हैविंग बैलेंस फूड, नॉट स्लीपिंग वेल. तो ये सारा अनहेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल है. तो लाइफस्टाइल रिलेटेड डिजीजेस आपको लगती हैं, डायबिटीज़, हाइपरटेंशन. अब डायबिटीज़ जो है ये तो वैसे पूरी बॉडी को इफेक्ट करेगा, बट आई को भी बहुत मेजरली इफेक्ट करता है. रादर वी हैव डेज विच वी कॉल डायबिटिक रेटिनोपैथी डे, जहाँ पे हम लोगों को इसी चीज़ के बारे में अवेयर भी करते हैं. सो एवरीबडी हु इज़ अ डायबिटिक शुड गेट एन एनुअल चेकअप डन. और कभी भी डायबिटिक रेटिनोपैथी के सिम्टम्स डॉक्टर को दिखते हैं तो यू शुड इमीडिएटली गो फॉर ट्रीटमेंट. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि व्हेन देयर इज डायबिटीज़ इन योर बॉडी स्टार्ट्स अफेक्टिंग योर आइज, तो हमारी आइज में जो रेटिना में ब्लड वेसल्स होती हैं वो लीकी हो जाती हैं. तो उससे आपके पर्दे में सूजन आता है. समटाइम्स दे कैन लीक ब्लड, तो वो आपके जेल में ब्लड आ जाता है. यू स्टार्ट सीइंग मल्टीपल फ्लोटर्स वगैरह. एंड इफ़ यू जस्ट लीव इट लाइक दैट, तो कुछ टाइम बाद इसमें ब्लाइंडिंग कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हो सकती हैं. यू कैन गो ब्लाइंड. And this is the leading cause of blindness in American European nations, diabetic retinopathy.
Really?
हमारे कंट्री में तो कैटरैक्ट है, सेकंड कॉज डायबिटिक है, लेकिन वहाँ पे वेस्टर्न में दिस इज द फर्स्ट कॉज.
And can it be corrected once
It can be corrected if diagnosed in time and given proper treatment.
तो in time क्या होता है? Like how should people take this so that it doesn't reach blindness?
No, it's not about that. It is कि when you start having diabetes, you start coming in for a checkup. मान लो changes आ रहे हैं, so you have to start taking treatment.
Okay.
एक जितना डिजीज प्रोलॉन्ग होता जाएगा तो आंखों तक तो पहुंच ही जाएगा. बट यू हैव टू टेक ट्रीटमेंट दैट इट डजंट लीड टू ब्लाइंडिंग प्रॉब्लम्स. टाइमली ट्रीट कर दिया तो ब्लाइंड नहीं हो गए आप.
ये कौन सा एज ग्रुप पे टिपिकली होता है?
यूजुअली लेट 40s, 50s, 60s इस टाइम पे आता है.
Okay. Have you seen it in children?
Yeah, sometimes.
So how does it come with them? Is it genetics?
It's an interplay of genetics and environmental factor, no? Every disease.
Okay.
Yeah. But this is not my real speciality, diabetic retinopathy, because I'm more of a LASIK surgeon, cataract surgeon. So most of the time diabetic जो retinopathy के patients होते हैं handled by retina doctors. तो हमारे hospital में team है, so they're the ones who are taking care of
it. Okay. Let's talk about a hot and trending topic जो है AQI.
AQI से आंखों में क्या होता है?
क्या होता है? कुछ होता है? Does it affect us?
Problem है. AQI is what is AQI? What is pollution? It is particulate matter allergens. They'll touch your eyes, they'll start disturbing your tear film. When they start disturbing your tear film, तो आँख में एलर्जीज होंगी, पानी निकलेगा, रेडनेस होगी, जलन होगी, खुजली होगी. You have to take anti-allergic drops, you have to take lubricating drops. थोड़े टाइम पे रिलीफ आता जाता है. जब लंबा एक्सपोजर चलता जाता है तो बॉडी भी अपने आप को थोड़ा सा अडेप्ट करती है. यू ऑल्सो स्टार्ट गेटिंग यूज टू इट. आफ्टर अ वाइल यू फील कि यार अभी थोड़ा कंफर्ट लेवल बढ़ते जा रहा है. मतलब आई एम इन दिल्ली सो आई कैन रिलेट टू दैट.
यू आर जस्ट यूज्ड टू इट नाउ.
स्टार्टिंग में खांसी हो रही थी, अब चीज़ें लग रहा है कि सेटल हो गई हैं. बट या एयर पोल्यूशन इज यस हार्मफुल. इट कॉजेज एलर्जिक कंजंक्टिवाइटिस, एक प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, एंड ड्राई आइज. ये दो कॉमन प्रॉब्लम्स है जो एयर पोल्यूशन से होता है.
And it is very common. Like how many patients do you see in Delhi?
It depends how sensitive you are. So it is something like some people could need aggressive medication and some people just have minor symptoms but they are comfortable.
अच्छा.
So जिनको ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आती है they come into the hospital, उनको थोड़ा सा ट्रीटमेंट दे देते हैं.
Okay. Last question. जब we talk about eye care and you've covered everything and you said that there's no quick fix, right? कि आप ये eye drops डालो, घी कर लो.
There is no magic drop, magic food for your eyes.
कुछ नहीं है, right? तो but if there was one thing that you would just recommend people do for their eye to just be as they are, right? Like जैसे चल रहा है, to not deteriorate the quality. Is there anything that you
One
want to
annual checkup with an ophthalmologist.
Yeah.
And don't self-medicate. ये सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. You see, the major issue is that in our country, doctors availability is so easy. मतलब इफ़ यू लुक एट अमेरिकन यूरोपियन नेशंस, तो वहाँ पे आंखों की प्रॉब्लम होती है ना, तो आंखों के डॉक्टर से नहीं मिल सकते आप. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू गो टू अ जनरल डॉक्टर, ही विल रेफर यू टू एन आई डॉक्टर. मान लो उस आई डॉक्टर को लगता है कि सुपर स्पेशलिटी ओपिनियन चाहिए, तो वो और हायर डॉक्टर को रेफर करेगा. तो ये करते 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 2 महीने लग जाते हैं. इन आवर कंट्रीज इमीडिएट, टुडे यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम, टुमारो यू कैन विजिट एन आई डॉक्टर. फिर भी द इशू इज कि हमारी कंट्रीज में ना दवाइयाँ विदाउट प्रिस्क्रिप्शन मिल जाती हैं. सो वी डोंट हैव वेरी स्ट्रिंजेंट रूल्स ऑन दैट. जैसे बाहर बहुत स्ट्रिंजेंट है, ये प्रिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं होगी तो दवाई नहीं मिल सकती. सो नाउ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज ऑल दीज पीपल इन द ऑल दी ड्रग स्टोर्स, फार्मा स्टोर्स, केमिस्ट की दुकान में ना ये अपने डॉक्टर बन गए हैं. सो पेशेंट प्रेफर्स नॉट गोइंग टू अ डॉक्टर, प्रेफर्स गोइंग टू अ फार्मा पर्सन. मतलब फार्मेसी में चले जाते हैं, वहाँ पे जाके बोल देता है कि मेरी आंखों में लाली हो रही है जी, दवाई दे दे. अब उसने थोड़ा बहुत तो आइडिया है ही ना, वो पकड़ा देता है उसको दवाई. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम दैट पर्सन इज गिविंग देम एंटीबायोटिक स्टेरॉइड का कॉम्बिनेशन. तो स्टार्टिंग में तो सब ठीक लगता है, बट व्हेन यू डूइंग इट फॉर अ प्रोलॉन्ग टाइम तो प्रॉब्लम्स आनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. तो सेल्फ मेडिकेशन इज द बिग प्रॉब्लम दैट वी डील एवरी डे. हमारी दवाइयाँ काम नहीं करती, पीपल बिकम रेजिस्टेंट टू दैट एंड दे कम इन एट लेटर स्टेज. पहले इन्होंने नुस्खे ट्राई कर लेते हैं, होते नहीं ठीक, देन दे कम इन टू द हॉस्पिटल. द डिजीज इज ऑलरेडी क्रॉस्ड अ पर्टिकुलर स्टेज वेयर इट कुड हैव बीन प्रॉपर्ली ट्रीटेड. एडवांस स्टेज हो जाता है. तो ये सब बड़े इश्यूज हैं. सो 1 एनुअल चेकअप विद अ डॉक्टर रिकमेंडेड.
और काफी सारे लोग,
अच्छा चलो नहीं कर पा रहे हो, अगर ये एनुअल चेकअप नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो कभी भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो डॉक्टर को दिखा लो बस.
हाँ, फार्मेसी को मत जाना.
हाँ, या दोस्तों से मत पूछ लेना कि तेरी आंख में भी लाली आई थी, तूने कौन सी डाली. भाई आंखों में लाली आने के 100 कारण है, आपका कौन सा है हमें थोड़ी पता.
हाँ.
बुखार मलेरिया का है, डेंगू का है, कोविड का है, टाइफाइड का है, वी डोंट नो. बट पैरासिटामोल विल वर्क फॉर एवरीबॉडी, बट वी हैव टू ट्रीट द रूट कॉज आल्सो.
करेक्ट. सो दे ऐसे ब्लैंकेट अप्रोच नहीं करते. एंड इफ यू कैन डू एज मोस्ट पीपल डू, आई डू इट कि मैं साल में एक बार फुल बॉडी चेकअप कर लेती हूँ. At that time, if you could just include the eye,
that's a good practice.
It's a good and healthy practice. Okay, thank you so much,
Wonderful.
Dr. Rahel. It's been wonderful, and I learned a lot, and I hope that we added value to people's life.
Thank you so much. Absolute pleasure talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you for being the best community, and we'll see you in the next one.